So if you're gonna be playing around with changing the IMEI on the Galaxy S5, make sure that you make a security backup with your octopus box so you can restore back your certificate. As you can see, this one I had already changed the IMEI number. Okay. Now we do a cert check, and as always it fails. Okay, so we're gonna write a security backup using our octo box. And this I had made prior to messing around with this phone. Okay, so we just let it finish writing the backup and the phone should restart automatically. Okay, it says successful. Now we just wait for the phone to restart. Okay, and we're going to do an IMEI check first. It just takes a while for it to go. And as you can see, the old number is back. And we do our IMEI cert check. And it's passed. Alright guys, let's keep working on getting it to bypass the certification.